จังการบรบติวีกมาอันตรเจตมวยมิถนามีในนะสำหรับรำลึกแต่ดอปฏิการประวัติศาสตร์ระบบพวกฟาซีอิตาลีได้บ้านการสำลักสตรีนั่งเกาะม้าในพมลีเดเซียในประเทศเชโกสโลวากีให้นั่งโอราโดในประเทศบารังนั่งลองสังเกตโลกเลิกตีปีจะล้อจับปีชนะมาปอนบุร้อยสายสปีและชนะมาปอนบุร้อยสายสบุนได้ไล่สำหรับประเทศกัมพูชียังติวีกมาอันตรเจตคือการรำลึกดอวินิสกรรมนักน้องกำลังระบอบปลายปุยซะปอปอดกับสำหรับกบม้านั่งบปัดเซตกบม้าตามระยะการบังออดอาหารไอเซ็งจ้ะจังติเวียกบมาอันตรเจตเลิกนี้คือจะควบเลิกตี70 ปีในติเวียกบมาอันตรเจตสกัมท่าขมายดังอ๋อจ้ะนั่งตัวบ้านเซตเป็นเล้งนั่งรู้นั่งประกอบได้กบมาใบล้อก่อนล้อซะล้อนั้นหมดล้อจ้ะเจี๊ยซอตรงในประเทศจีน
How would you feel if students your age had to work instead of go to school?
I feel sad because children deserve education, happiness, and time to play. We feel sad that some children cannot go to school because they have to work. We are thankful for the chance to study, play, and learn every day. We hope that children can have a safe and joyful childhood.
ខ្ញុំចង់ឃើញកុមារគ្រប់រូបនៅលើពិភពលោកនេះមានសិទ្ធិសេរីភាពពេញលេញក្នុងការលេងកម្សាន្តមានសេចក្តីសុខក្នុងគ្រួសារនិងមានឱកាសបញ្ចេញសមត្ថភាពរបស់ខ្លួនដោយគ្មានការរើសអើង
Liao, can you tell us why is it important for countries and communities to protect children?
It is important for countries and communities to protect children because children are the future. They deserve safety, care, and equal opportunity.
Every child deserves a childhood filled with learning, laughter, and love, not labor. Children belong in classroom, not workplace.
ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំចង់បន្លឺសម្លេងថាកុមារគ្រប់រូបត្រូវតែបានចូលសាលារៀនមិនមែនទៅកន្លែងដែលធ្វើការធ្ងន់ធ្ងរនោះទេដូច្នេះពួកយើងសូមរួមគ្នាប្រឆាំងរាល់ទម្រង់ពលកម្មកុមារដែលមានការរំលោភបំពានគ្រប់បែបយ៉ាងដើម្បីឲ្យអនាគតភ្លឺស្វាងរបស់កុមារ
As teachers, we are saddened to see child labor still taking place in modern times. We want our children and our students to stay in school because they are the future. They are our doctors, our lawyers, and our teachers of tomorrow. We stand together today, united against child labor as a school and as a community. Thank you.
A brighter future begins when every child is safe, educated, and free. Say no to child labor and yes to education for all children.
ខ្ញុំសូមបន់ស្រន់និងជូនពរឲ្យកុមារទាំងអស់នៅលើពិភពលោកដែលកំពុងទទួលការលំបាកឬត្រូវធ្វើការងារធ្ងន់ធ្ងរទាំងវ័យក្មេងឲ្យទទួលបានឱកាសត្រឡប់មកសាលារៀនវិញកុមារគ្រប់រូបត្រូវតែបានការអប់រំមិនមែនការកេងប្រវ័ញ្ចកម្លាំងពលកម្មនោះទេពួកយើងដែលជាសិស្សានុសិស្សនៃសាលាអន្តរជាតិ Planet សូមសន្យាថានឹងខិតខំរៀនសូត្រឲ្យពូកែធ្វើជាក្មេងល្អចែកក្តីស្រឡាញ់ទៅកាន់អ្នកជុំវិញខ្លួនដើម្បីរួមចំណែកកសាងពិភពលោកមួយដ៏ស្រស់ស្អាតនិងមានសន្តិភាពសម្រាប់កុមារគ្រប់រូបជម្រាបលារួមគ្នាដើម្បីស្នាមញញឹម